What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I talked about a project a while ago. It was a pre-sale. Maybe it was like 2 weeks ago. And honestly, it's changing what we kind of hate about Dogecoin, improving Dogecoin in a way. And it's kind of interesting because I thought it was something that Dogecoin would never find a way to improve upon, but I guess in order to fix things, in order to do something, you have to do something yourself, right? And I'm not saying that I did it, but I'm sure that's the way they took it upon it. Because anytime you think about Dogecoin, you think about Elon Musk, you think about meme coins, and you think about the amount of inflation that it does have with that position, right? If you truly understand Dogecoin, you understand that inflation side of things. And that is a big kind of turnoff for a lot of people, where the conversation is always, can it get to a dollar? Will it get to a dollar? Can it be worth this much, this much, this much? And it always changes. You want to know why? Because they have a natural inflation to their project. And that's something that needs to be fixed. And I think Dogecoin20, this new pre-sale, really does fix that. And if it can have the same level of popularity or even a tenth of the popularity, you could end up seeing massive movement from where you start with this position. So I want to talk about Dogecoin20 in this video. I want to take the time to go through it, talk about the pre-sale, talk about their Twitter, and I will provide all links down below for you guys to check it out for yourself. So guys, if you could, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, like I said, check out any links for my channel as well as all of the links for Dogecoin20 down below. I will provide everything that you need to see with that, the website, the Twitter account. You can go ahead and research that yourself. Seriously, what I suggest is that if you have any type of time, go and research these projects that I'm talking about. It doesn't mean that you have to go out and buy them. It means that if you see the opportunity in them, it makes you feel better about what you're buying. So feel free to check out those links for Doge20 down below, as well as some of my links if you want to check those out for, Marjax and all of these other places, these referral links. So thank you for doing so. But let's take some time to talk about this position. Doge20 is a new pre-sale. And this pre-sale has already raised over $10 million. That's a lot of money. $10 million for a pre-sale. A lot of the pre-sales that I've seen will have like, $2 million, $3 million, maybe $5 million. But to see Doge20 with $10 million that has been raised, it shows the level of popularity that it will have. Now, you currently have 15 days, 23 hours, 16 minutes, 15 minutes, and 58, 57, 56 seconds, right? In order to make your move into this. This is your last chance to purchase it. I mean, you have a number of days, so you can decide if you do your research. You don't have to decide in like 5 minutes as this video goes up. Like, you decide in a number of days on whether you are going to be a part of that, and whether you believe in what their mission is and what their message will be. So again, you have 15 days to get it at these prices. So you have one Doge20 that's worth about 2.2% of a penny. You can buy with ETH, you can buy with USDT, you can buy with fiat, as well as buying with BNB. So these pre-sales make it very easy for a lot of people to purchase different positions. And that's what makes it exciting, because it opens up the door for so much volume from the beginning and so much support from the beginning. People that say, oh, you know what, I don't want to buy on ETH, I want to buy with BNB, or I just want to buy with fiat, or I want an easy way to purchase this position and be a part of this community, and they make it easy for everybody. So what is Doge20? Our Doge just got more rewarding. Prepare for the ultimate Doge upgrade. We're sending Elon's fave towards a more sustainable future. Stake Doge20 today to start earning eco-friendly rewards. And you can go in and check the audit and check the white paper if you guys want to. I'm sure they will have, updates to everything as the launch does happen. Good boy staking, utilizing smart contracts powered by Ethereum. Doge20 is more than a meme coin and brings passive earning potential to the community. Harness the power of your Doge20 tokens by staking and earning rewards, making your tokens work for you. That's something that I talk about all the time, is making your money work for you. And if you could find a way to gain passive income in a way, with any scenario, that's kind of the goal. After this bull run, is to gain passive income, even during the bull run, is to gain passive income. So if you can find an ability to stake for the long term, especially in something that has a max supply versus something that has a supply that will be inflated, I feel like it's a good deal. Convenient wallet. There's no need to worry about complicated wallets and custody of your tokens. So, which a lot of people do worry about with exchanges. Doge20 is built on Ethereum, meaning you automatically gain more flexibility with your ERC20 tokens. Use what you already have. And the big selling point that I feel like, I continue to talk about is no more inflation. Dogecoin has that natural inflation where they add 5.2 billion per year. And that's a lot, right? At the 100 billion level that they had, they added on, 5% every single year. And now it decreased. It's the same amount, but it has decreased in the percentage overall because you're looking at 142 billion versus the 100 billion. Dogecoin is a beloved token, but has been limited in its potential future worth because of its infinite supply that will always emit more tokens into the market. Doge20 fixes this with a fixed supply, allowing for unhindered upward pressure on the token's price. Now, they have been featured in all of these different places. I want to go through the roadmap a little bit, just the titles to show you guys there. Pre-sale and marketing would be part of the roadmap, which you have seen that, obviously, early staking incentives, pre-sale token claiming, which will happen within the 15 days that you see there, or technically a little bit over 15 days. DEX launch on Uniswap, allocated liquidity provision, and then you have long-term passive rewards for the people that are staking there. So Dogecoin20 staking smart contracts is programmed to distribute tokens to all stakers in a pool over a period of 2 years, providing sustained passive rewards for everyone, right? Again, make your money work for you, make your coins work for you. Now, also, if you want to go and check out their Twitter account, feel free to go and check out their Twitter account. I will provide the link down below. They have 12.4K followers and they're growing, right? You see how much money is flowing into this project. And honestly, it's amazing. Again, you see projects, pre-sale projects out there that raise, 2 million, 3 million, and it's a big deal. And now you see this Dogecoin20 that's raised $10 million and probably will raise maybe another million or two by the time those 15 days are up. And will launch with $12 million that's raised. So again, I'm excited for what it is. I'm excited for what it will be. And I think you guys need to go and take some time and research everything that they do have here, everything about it, the tokenomics, all the stuff. You want to understand that as well. If we break that down really, really quick before we get out of here, we see 25% that goes to pre-sale, 25% that goes to marketing, 25% to treasury, 15% to staking, 10% to liquidity as well. So you have that full breakdown there. You also have a rewards calculator if you wanted to go in there and check how much you would receive in rewards if you decided to purchase and stake and be a part of this community. But again, I want you guys to go and check out the links down below. Give it a look for yourself because, again, you are your own critic in what you decide to buy. So I expect you guys to, research, and then make that decision. You have 15 days to do so. So if you're going to, make sure you get all the information you can get in there. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this project down below in the comment section. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.